Hi loves! Today I want to share my weekly deep cleaning routine. I hope this gave you some motivation to get up and tackle some cleaning. I first like to start with the dishes. I feel very relieved when my kitchen is clean. If you have kids, don't forget to screw their sippy cups. And as always, there's something I forgot to put in the dishwasher. Then, I hand wash any pans and other things I can put in the dishwasher. I scrub down my sink. And add a sink refresher. I love how my kitchen smells like oranges after I do this. After the sink is clean, I put things away and wipe down the counters and appliances. I use a mix of all-purpose cleaner and water. Then, I organize everything back. I do the same for all kitchen spaces. I then clean my stove. I love using Method's degreaser spray. My kitchen island is the catch-all of my home. Everything ends up in there. After that, I go and clean my daughter's bathroom. I have to take everything out of the bathrooms so I can deep clean it. I start with adding the detergent in the toilet bowl and letting it sit for a minute. And then the tub. And lastly, the sink. And then I scrub everything real well. I like to clean my mirrors using Method's glass cleaner. I get most of my cleaning products of Grove Collaborative, and if you want to try them, I'll leave a link down below. Also, if you place an order of $20, they'll send you a 5-piece gift from Mrs. Meyer's. I like to go over every little corner and wipe it down. And after all is wiped and clean, I like to mop and sweep. After I'm done with my daughter's bathroom, I head to my bathroom and do the same process. Take everything out and deep clean. After I'm done cleaning my bathroom, I head back to my daughter's bathroom and reorganize everything. I love ending each room with a few spritz of Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Room Refresher Spray. And after that, I go to my bathroom and reorganize. Then I go into my room and start cleaning my mirror. And all the surfaces with the all-purpose cleaner mix. My fiance made the bed in the morning, so I don't have to do it. And I do the laundry on a separate day, so I don't have to deal with that today. I go through each corner, wipe it down, and organize. This is my makeup corner. I can't wait to have a dedicated room just for it. After everything is wiped down, I go and run the vacuum. Usually, after my room, I clean my daughter's room, but she was getting changed after her night shower, and I went ahead and cleaned the hallway instead. This week, I had a lot of recycling and clothes to donate. Okay, so now it's time to clean my daughter's room. I start off by picking up her toys. Then, I wipe down all surfaces. Then I go ahead and vacuum. After that's done, I clean the living room. Same process, wipe down and reorganize. And that's all for this video. I hope this gave you some motivation to get up and clean. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. See you on the next one.